It used to be said that a good night's sleep helps prevent mental health problems, like Alzheimer's disease. A new study now says the contrary. Researchers from the Washington University School of Medicine have published a paper that sleeping too much may lead to cognitive decline. They found that sleeping more than 6.5 hours a night could lead to cognitive decline over time, and it comes with the risk of developing dementia. This is low when compared to the normal 8-hour sleep. The study suggests that the optimal sleep duration is between 4.5 and 6.5 hours every night. The occasional weekend lie-in is unlikely to do your brain any harm. Another study by the American Cancer Society had found that individuals who now average 6.5 hours of sleep a night can be reassured that this is a safe amount of sleep for cancer prevention. A third study that was carried out by researchers from the University of California, San Diego School of Medicine showed that people who slept for 7 hours a night lived longest. The study observed the sleep habits of more than 1 million people over 6 years. It seems to debunk the popular idea that 8 hours of sleep nightly are required for optimal health. Those who had 6 or 7 hours had a lower death rate than those who regularly slept 8 or more hours, or less than 4. Dr. Daniel Kripke, a professor of psychiatry at the university, who specializes in sleep research, said, "There is no reason to sleep longer." Surprisingly, participants who reported occasional bouts of insomnia did not have an increased death rate, but those who took sleeping pills were more likely to die sooner. Best survival rates were found among those who slept 7 hours a night. A group sleeping 8 hours was 12% more likely to die within the 6-year period than those sleeping 7 hours. Even those with as little as 5 hours lived longer than those with 8 hours or more nightly. I remember what British-American comedian Bob Hope said about sleep. "I don't feel old. I don't feel anything till noon. That's when it's time for my nap." Thank you for watching, be safe and bye for now.